Hello there guys, welcome to UK Tech Warehouse. Today we shall be unboxing the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, our most powerful 4K streaming stick, next generation Wi-Fi 6, 4K HDR, supporting Twitch, Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, ITV, Apple TV, HeyU, Plex, TV Player, ITV Hub Now, Channel 4, UK TV Play and My5. Let's check the back. That's what you get. Level Up, The Experience, Alexify and Extra Films. You get the remote as well. Okay, nice. Press and play. You got the Wi-Fi 6 and it's 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Vision and Atmos. It's got a quad-core processor. It's slightly better than the normal 4K stick. What we got here? Blah blah blah. Whatever that says. Okay, let's unbox this. We're gonna grab our lucky Stanley knife. Oops. There we go. Let's open this up. Put around. Open this tab. And out it comes. There we go, guys. So let's see what we get. We get a nice little remote. Just the remote, and you got the Prime Video, the Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Music. The remote's not too bad. What else do we get? The micro USB cable. I believe this itself is a plastic. Nice. So for this, you got the booklet, pamphlet. Let's get this out. Open it. There we go. We've got a USB plug. And we get two Amazon Basic AA batteries. There we go. And get the little dongle. If I can manage to get out. There we go. That's all out. Let's get this. I hope you guys can see it. There we go, perfect. Now what we do, just grab it. There we go. It should just slide up. There we go. Face it this way. Perfect. We've got our little Fire Stick. I'll just plug this into the back of the TV into a HDMI port. As you guys can see, it fits perfectly in. You've got to adjust it. It's a bit dusty, but that's it, done. Now all we do is hit the source button on our remote, and we know it's on HDMI 1. Plug it in. We pushed it in. Just give it a moment. It should come on. There we go, guys. Amazon Fire Stick is working now. Just make sure it's plugged in with power. And we've got our Fire TV stick. You're just searching for the remote. Hold. To pair it, we just press the home button. Searching for your remote, try pressing the remote close to the Fire Stick. Press the home button on the remote for 10 seconds until it starts flashing. Let's see, does it start flashing? There we go, guys. Because we're in England, we go with. So scan for our Wi-Fi network, and we just. Once it's done downloading, just have to wait for the latest update. Once you're logged in, it will say preparing for your setup. We'll be playing music during the next step. Not long now. With your Fire TV remote pointed at your TV, toggle the volume up and down. Okay. Press OK. Loading. Do we want Amazon Kids? Nope. I've already got Amazon Prime. And select the apps that you want and then download them. Choose apps. Let's do BBC iPlayer, Disney, Channel 4. Don't know about TV players. Oh, we've got Sky News, perfect. BT Sports, UFC. I don't watch no wrestling, I don't know what that is. And then we've got YouTube. Perfect. And then just press the play button after we pick that apps. And finish. No parental controls. Because we're all big adults here. And then just pause. The download's back downloading with the apps that I chose. And then select your name. And just choose a profile icon. Let's see what we get. Ooh. I think I like the big purple gorilla. Perfect. Press save. And there we go, guys. This is the menu. Interface is nice and clean. It's very, very quick. Very responsive. So if you got older 4K TV, I would definitely recommend getting a Fire Stick. Quickens it up, definitely. We got our preview. We got the colony here. Recommended to buy. It's not bad at all. And you got what, top 3 games? Not bad at all. So we're gonna download Crossy Roads. Let's see how it works. Let's see, we've got Flappy Bird's Family. And let's see, I've got YouTube now. It's relatively quick to download everything. I've got a little remote. You can even get a controller for this Fire Stick. Oh, come on. Let's put our age in. Crossy Roads. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. No! No! And we're dead. Press the home button. This has been your startup tutorial of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K TV Max, and to be honest, it's actually very good. The interface is, as you can see, very, very snappy. There's not much lag on it at all, if any. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, guys. Bye.